Hey guys, so today I'll be showing you how to make a clicker game on Scratch. First, you need to pick a sprite. Pick any one you like. I'll choose the frog. And then pick a backdrop. Then pick a backdrop. Choose any one you like. I'll pick the wetland. Now to make the character click, we'll do this. Once that sprite is clicked, see, when you click it, it does nothing. So we're going to make it like this. Like a pop. To make it even better, we'll make a score variable. You can choose which way you will like. Now, if when the green flag is clicked, you want to set the score to 0. See? Now let's pick another sprite. Like I said, choose any one you like. I'll pick the grasshopper. It's too big, so I'll just set the size to 70. I'll just duplicate it here. I'll rename it to Grasshopper G. Cost, I'll make it 5 points. Let's fix that. That's just a mistake. And then after, we'll make it hide when we click the green flag. Now let's add a wait until block. Now let's go to operators and then add the score bubble variable. And then 5 points, and we then want to replace with 5, and then we want it to show. Now we want it to replay. And so when the sprite is clicked, change the score. It'll get you up in no time. Now I want it to another one. Now change the score by 2. When you click it, we'll change the score by 2. Now we want it to make a sound. Don't worry, we'll make it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thank you and bye.